It was a dream for us to bring such magnificent number from the Muslim community in Britain.
But I wanted to join you here today for what is just an amazing event with so many people here.
It's absolutely wonderful to be here. I have rarely seen an event which expresses such a sense of optimism, unity and diversity as this wonderful event here.
I am so blessed to see such a phenomenal gathering of Muslims that I can really feel the unity here today.
I'm just proud to be here and see the incredible work that's been done to put this conference and exhibition together.
This weekend makes history because it shows the true face of Islam.
Over the 2 days, more than 60,000 people, British and non-British from around the world, Muslims and non-Muslims, have come to enjoy the global peace and unity event.
Don't miss out. 10% early bird discount until the 31st of July. Hurry and get your tickets now. Log on to our website globalunity.com or call 0844 844 0444.